Are you wondering how much you can get in Saskatoon at different price points? Today we're going to look at 4 different homes to show you how far your money goes.
From starter homes to luxury properties, whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to upgrade, this video is for you. Stick around, let's check out our first house.
All right, first up, we got a great starter home here, listed at just under $250K, a great option to get in the market.
This home has 3 bedrooms, a large living room, and a layout that allows for a basement suite, which could be a huge mortgage helper.
Located in Caswell Hill, this home is close to all amenities, plus it has a single detached garage for all your storage needs.
For just under $250K, this is one of the most affordable detached homes on the market right now.
Now let's see what $500K can get you. Okay, now we're at the $500K price point, and this is a brand new build by Arbutus, located close to schools and parks. This is a great one for families.
This is an open concept home just under 1,500 square feet with a bright modern design. You got a huge living room with south-facing windows for tons of natural light.
The kitchen in here is top-notch, with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and a large island, perfect for entertaining.
Upstairs, you got 2 secondary bedrooms, a full bath, and a bonus room, plus an amazing primary suite that has massive windows, a walk-in closet, and a 4-piece ensuite.
At $500K, this is a perfect option for families for a brand new home that's move-in ready.
If you're curious what happens when we bump the budget up to $750K, stick around, we'll check it out next. Now we're at $750K. This is a brand new modern home here in Brighton, one of Saskatoon's fastest growing communities.
This one's got 2,100 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and the best part is the beautiful living space.
With massive windows bringing in natural light, a sleek modern kitchen, and even a butler's pantry, this home is designed for both function and style.
This one has a dedicated home office, a bonus room, and a beautiful ensuite with dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and a huge closet.
Let's not forget about the double attached garage and the separate side entrance for a potential basement suite. This home is built for both comfort and luxury.
All right, now it's time for our final stop. Let's go see what $1 million gets you in Saskatoon.
This is luxury living at $1 million. We're here in Briarwood, one of Saskatoon's most sought after neighborhoods. This property is over 3,500 square feet and has 6 bedrooms.
It's got high-end appliances, a gas range, granite countertops, and a butler's pantry. Plus, there's even a main floor office. The primary suite upstairs is next level, with a sitting area, gas fireplace, and a spa-like ensuite with dual vanities and a jetted tub.
And don't forget about the massive backyard, fully landscaped with both a patio and a deck, perfect for summer nights.
For $1 million, you can get size, luxury, and location.
This home has it all. So there you have it, 4 different homes, 4 different price points.
Which one was your favorite? Let us know down in the comments or reach out to us to get your process started.